How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. In spite of everything, I still believe that people are really good at heart. Think of all the beauty still left around you and be happy. No one has ever become poor by giving. Parents can only give good advice or put them on the right paths, but the final forming of a person's character lies in their own hands. The best remedy for those who are afraid, lonely, or unhappy is to go outside, somewhere where they can be quite alone with the heavens, nature, and God. I don't think of all the misery, but of the beauty that still remains. People can tell you to keep your mouth shut, but that doesn't stop you from having your own opinion. In the long run, the sharpest weapon of all is a kind and gentle spirit. Where there's hope, there's life. It fills us with fresh courage and makes us strong again. Whoever is happy will make others happy. Human greatness does not lie in wealth or power, but in character and goodness. As long as this exists, this sunshine and this cloudless sky, and as long as I can enjoy it, how can I be sad? There's only one rule you need to remember: laugh at everything and forget everybody else. It sounds egotistical, but it's actually the only cure for those suffering from self-pity. Those who have courage and faith shall never perish in misery. The good news is that you don't know how great you can be, how much you can love, what you can accomplish, and what your potential is. Dead people receive more flowers than the living ones because regret is stronger than gratitude. Sympathy, love, fortune. We all have these qualities but still tend to not use them. I can't imagine how anyone can say, "I'm weak," and then remain so. After all, if you know it, why not fight against it? Why not try to train your character? I think it's odd that grown-ups quarrel so easily and so often and about such petty matters. Up to now I always thought bickering was just something children did and that they outgrew it. An empty day, though clear and bright, is just as dark as any night. The young are not afraid of telling the truth. Whoever doesn't know it must learn and find by experience that a quiet conscience makes one strong. I must uphold my ideals, for perhaps the time will come when I shall be able to carry them out. We all live with the objective of being happy. Our lives are all different and yet the same.